Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are here to unbox the new iPhone 6s Plus in a space gray color. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and hit a like on this video and click on the bell icon below so you don't have to miss any content from this channel. So without further ado, let's get in this video. As you can see, this is 16GB version. 16GB is good for me. So now let's unbox it and see what we have inside the box. First of all, inside this box we have iPhone 6s Plus. Now let's put it on the side and let's see what we have more inside the box. So inside the box we have a folder, and inside this folder we have a SIM ejector and a lot of paperwork and two Apple stickers. Now let's see what we have more inside the box. So inside the box we have lightning cable and a charging adapter and a earphone. Now that's everything we have in the box. Now let's come back to the iPhone. Now let's remove the protector and power it on. So guys, this is the unboxing of iPhone 6s Plus. I hope you liked the video. If you like, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will post similar videos like this every day. So stay tuned for that too. Peace.